For the connection part, here you can see we have connected the fiber ribbon cable from 8255 interrupt controller to the pin number 1 of traffic light controller interface. Next, the positive 5 and ground of the traffic controller interface are connected to positive 5 and ground of the kit. Our connections are done now. Let's start the experiment. For that, the process will be same. First press reset, then D, then enter the address, starting address, and fill up the machine codes which are provided. Next, press the reset button, then enter, then press G for the execution and starting address. Press enter. Now you can see the working of traffic light. Here, as you can see, green light indicates the motion of the cars which are going from north east to southwest are allowed. Next, only the car moving towards north and south can move. Next, the north, east and the southwest directions are open, and so on. This is how the traffic light works. I hope this must be clear to you. Thank you for watching.